Hi. Sorry for my back. Thank you. My sincere condolences to the families and first responders. I understand loss. Weak weapon laws help kill people through lack of deterrence. This is a weapon. We have very weak texting laws in Connecticut. My husband was killed in a car accident on the Merritt Parkway on Good Friday. This might have been part of the crime. It's under investigation. You have to look at this weapon as well as any other weapons you look at. And I think you all have them, and I think they're not regulated. And I think they're more dangerous than the number of gun deaths, because car accidents top that. My love of my life, the best man, obviously a big man in many ways, my children are without. There are 3 kids in the Newtown school system that were on lockdown, including a 4-year-old pre-K, who do not get services in this district, because I discovered after 3.5 years of complete hell that ended the night before he was killed. Biblical stuff, folks, pay attention. He was killed the night after I had a hearing in this high school in a room down the hall, exposing the alleged corruption in your Connecticut Department of Ed, Legal Affairs Division, and Special Ed Division, and the top administrators in this school district, the top 3, with the help of the law firm of Birches, Moses, and Devlin, who also works with Shipman and Goodman, who Chris Murphy's dad's a partner of, and all partners are supposed to take care of everything the other lawyers are doing, but that's not happening. You have peer review for medical and judges and lawyers, and it's BS, and kids are dying because of your bad rules. Okay, let me get to my bullet points. Peanuts and popcorn, Gandhi, and the sting. The sting is the corruption, just like Paul Newman, only maybe not as attractive. You walk into a PPT or educational hearing, they're all in on it. The staff is told not to identify. They can't pay their mortgage if they speak out against it. It's wrong. Fix it. Dead kids. That's the price. Got it? No time. Now, Gandhi, peaceful civil disobedience. He went, because the British rule taxed salt, okay? He went to the ocean to get his salt. Civil disobedience. This is school choice week. I just gave Debbie Lideline the bill for my kids' education because I had to take them out last year because people told me they're going to call Child Protective Services on you. You're speaking against the district. I'm almost done. Peanuts and popcorn. Peanuts, popcorn. My son can't eat them. You know why? Because the undisclosed adjuvants and ingredients and vaccines that my own pediatrician didn't know on September 27th of this year. I had to tell him what they were. Adjuvant 65-4 is peanut oil. How many kids do you know are allergic to peanuts today? They cross-react with nuts. And the mercury gets in the brains. The boys have 2 X chromosomes. They can't flush it out of their system. Check the hair. It'll tell you if the mercury's getting out. Most boys can't get it out. You know what that leads to? Learning disabilities, dyslexia, mental health problems. Then, instead of taking care of them and giving them services, we drug them with psychotropic drugs. Let the kernels, popcorn, remember? Kernels pop, Virginia Tech, Newtown, those are only the first kernels. We got 1/4 of them in schools on psychotropic drugs. These are children. They shouldn't be on this. They shouldn't be on this at all. Check all the conflicts of interest, the disclosures on all the people who have stock in Big Pharma. Thank you very much. Gandhi, school choice, peanuts and popcorn, crap in the vaccines. And the popcorn are the kids in the microwave. They're about to pop. They're all on drugs. No child left behind. All children are getting left behind. And 20 kids and adults. And you know what? Adam Lanza was the first victim because he probably had medical problems and the attorneys sealed the records. Do you know that the attorneys, excuse me, in my last point, the attorneys can keep the records for the school district. They're agents of the school. Bircham, Moses, and Devlin do not qualify as decent lawyers. I proved it. It's public information. 4512. This